Ladies and gentlemen, students, parents, and friends, welcome to the fourth commencement exercises of Bayapitsit Colleges Incorporated and the second commencement exercises of Bayapitsit College of Paragondon Incorporated, academic year 2024-2025.
This also proves that education is a unified and collective effort of everyone. There is a call for generation of unity. It is a movement. It is every Filipino, young and old, who believes that together we can build a stronger, fairer, and more prosperous Philippines.
The highest congratulations, parents. Here are the bouquet of happiness and celebration. Good luck and God bless everyone.
To the parents and guardians na nandito po ngayon, thank you is not enough for your unwavering support and encouragement. Your child will not be here without your sacrifice and love. Pagmamahal lang po talaga sa mga anak natin.
We will continue with our mission, which focus on the welfare of the learners and strive to give them the best education. The administration, faculty, and staff, them extend its heartfelt congratulations to the graduates.
Moments we once lived in have turned into stories we now tell. No matter what happens and whatever my path takes me, I will forever cherish those unforgettable memories as a Kaya. I'm not here only to celebrate the completion of my studies and to show some achievements and awards of mine, but I'm also here to express my gratitude and appreciation to those who helped me and accompanied me on my academic journey.
Your faith in my abilities was a lifeline, a constant steady light in the darkness. They saw potential in me that I struggled to recognize. And because of them, I fought through the doubts. I keep moving forward.
Fervent wishes of hopes and aspirations, with full of wishes that all of you may succeed in life. Kudos, laurels, feathers on your caps. God bless the Ephesians. Fly high. Pia Pizza, fly high.
Thank you kasi nandito kayo, kasama pa rin namin kayo. Inaya nyo at kakayanin nyo pa ang mga susunod na pagsubok sa inyong mga buhay.
Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang mga batang magsisipagtapos, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Muli, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.